Hello my dear friends, today in this video we are going to learn how can someone close a fixed deposit account online through the mobile banking or the internet banking, and that is also sitting at your home. So my dear friends, please do watch this video till the end. So you must have done lots of online transaction, online payment, so it is a very easy thing for you to just premature FD close. So most of the time we do approaches the bank for doing this service for us, but we do face lots of harassment over there. So the bankers keep us waiting and waiting for a longer period of time. They don't give value for our time. Lots of questions they used to ask, that why are you closing your FD account, why do you need money, and also they try to make business out of our problem. They are very well trained to make business out of everything. So they will tell you, please don't close your FD account, they are going to provide you loan against your fixed deposit. So you will have some thought before you approach the bank. Then after they will convince you, you will just change your decision. So this thing will happen if you go and approach bank for little bit of issue. So this is a very simple issue, closing your FD account. You can do it by yourself. So a very limited steps that you do need to follow to just close your FD account. So I'm going to show you all those steps. So let us start. The first thing that you need to do, you have to do login to your online banking portal. So here you can see I have logged in to my online banking portal. So I hope you know how to do the login using your password and user ID. So you can see, let us go to the next step. So in the next steps you can see you just have to go to this account menu, my account, and here you have to select and click to this option, deposit pre-closer. So by clicking to this option you can close your FD account, deposit pre-closer. Okay, and after that this interface will appear. I have kept hidden my banking details from you. You can see deposit account number. So here it will be shown your account number, that FD account number that will be shown over here. You can see deposit account number. So this is your FD account number that will be shown over here, right? And credit to account, that means that after you close your FD account, this amount will be credited to this particular account. This is your saving bank account number. So from your FD account the money will get transferred to the savings account number. So here you will be seeing your savings account number. So there will be automatically, this will be shown to you. I am not showing, I have kept hidden. This will be automatically shown to you, and this will be kept blank. Okay, so here you have to write something, transaction remark, so that you will remember something, user define some remark that you have to provide over here. Now after that you have to click this submit button, right? So click this submit button. What will happen? Now this interface will appear, right? In this particular interface you can find out the details. So deposit account number, so your FD account number will be printed over here. Deposit amount, so your FD amount, full FD amount, that will be shown over here, that how much amount you have deposited in that particular FD, that will be shown over here. And after that expected maturity amount, so the maturity amount would have shown over here. So let's say you have made an FD of 10,000 rupees, so after certain time period would have matured, so that amount would have been printed over here. So after that total interest accrued, that for the time period how much interest that you have earned from that particular FD, that would have been shown over here. After that amount after pre-closure, so that means as you were closing your FD earlier than the stipulated time period. Let's say you have done the FD for 1 year, but you are going to close that FD within 6 months. So they will take some charges out of your interest. So you are not going to get full amount of your FD. So little bit interest will be deducted as a penalty. So that will be shown over here. So how much money that you are going to get if you close the FD before time. And here you can see the amount will be credited to your savings account. So here your savings account number will be shown, credit to account. You can see over here. Now deposit interest rate, so at which rate the FD has been made. So the FD has been made on a particular interest rate, so that will be shown over here. And you can see maturity date, so at which date that particular FD would have been matured had you not closed the FD now, then at which date the FD would have been matured. So that date would have been printed over here. right? And pre-closure charges, so some amount of charges that will be deducted, as I told you, as a penalty charges, some interest will be deducted from you, so that amount will be shown over here. Now transaction remark over here, you can see here you have written some transaction detail, so you can see that will be shown over here. And at the last but not the least, here you can see enter transaction password. So for doing any online transaction, you should provide the online transaction password. So this is also an online transaction where you are closing your FD account online and you are transferring your fund in the savings account. So this is a online transaction, pure online transaction. So you need to provide your transaction password. After that you have to click the confirmation button. So after the confirmation, okay, this screen will appear in front of you. So in this particular screen you can see OTP will go in your mobile, right? So you have to find the OTP from your registered mobile. So that particular mobile has to be registered in the bank account, right? So you will receive the OTP and you have to provide the OTP here. You can see 6-digit OTP, and if you don't receive the OTP, you can click this button, regenerate OTP. So if you click this button, the OTP again will be generated and that will be sent to your mobile, and that OTP you have to provide over here. And after that you have to click this submit button, and after that you can see fixed deposit is closed successfully, fund credited to your requested account. So after that the process will be completed. The fixed deposit which you have made, that will be closed and the sum will be transferred to your savings account number which we have provided here. Okay, so by this you can close your FD account. So here I have shown you how you can close your FD account in the Bandhan Bank, but more or less if you have to close your FD account in other banks, the option will be more or less similar. I have got my account in Bandhan Bank, so here I have shown you how you can close your FD account in the Bandhan Bank. But if you have your account in any other bank, you can follow more or less similar steps. You need not require to approach bank and waste your valuable time over there talking with the banker. For the confirmation, one thing you can do, you can just contact the helpline numbers that will be available in their banking site. So in banking websites, under the contact menu, the helpline toll-free numbers are available, so you can get help from there. So talk with them, get the further confirmation and do this by yourself. So it's a very easy steps. If you learn these steps, just a matter of few minutes you can do it by yourself and the money will be credited to your savings account. So thank you. If you do like this video, please click the like button and share this video with a friend, and please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And thank you very much my dear friends for holding your patience and watching my video till the end. Goodbye for today.